The secret of surrender. Just as you used to be slaves to all kinds of sin, so now you must let yourselves be slaves to all that is right and holy. Romans chapter 6 verse 19. We have heard the modern expression, "Don't fight it, it's bigger than both of us." Those who are meek do not fight back at life. They learn the secret of surrender, or yielding to God. He then fights for us. Instead of filling your mind with resentments, abusing your body by sinful diversion, and damaging your soul by willfulness, humbly give all over to God. Your conflicts will disappear and your inner tensions will vanish into thin air. Then your life will begin to count for something. You will have the feeling of belonging to life. Boredom will melt away, and you will become vibrant with hope and expectation. Because you are meekly yielded, you will begin to inherit the earth of good things, which God holds in store for all who trust Him with their all. Prayer for the day. Let me yield to you this day, Father, all my innermost thoughts. I cannot hide from you.